Friends, here let me solve problem on binomial distribution. Let me read the problem first. When a coin is tossed 4 times, find the probability distribution. Its probability distribution we have to find out. Mean, standard deviation, and hence find probability of exactly one head, at most 3 heads, and at least 2 heads. Here, when a coin is tossed 4 times, we are going to get 2 raised to 4 outcomes. 16 outcomes will be there, and writing them all and then finding its probability is very difficult. Okay, one example we have discussed last. When 3 coins are tossed, total 8 outcomes are there. Then x is the number of head turned up, 3 heads here, 2 heads here, 2 heads like that, and then range will become 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and corresponding each probabilities we have discussed. Here x equal to 0, 0 is repeated only once, therefore 1 by 8. Probability of x equal to 1 repeated 3 times, therefore 3 by 8. For x equal to 2, 3 by 8, 1 by 8. Like that, one problem we have discussed to find the mean, and this is probability distribution whenever 3 coins are tossed. This one we have discussed, but here 4 coins has been tossed. That will be lengthy for us. That's why here we'll use the binomial distribution to solve this problem easily. Okay, here for each trial, let success be getting head. Okay, then probability of success small p is equal to, only 2 possibilities are there, head or tail. Therefore probability of getting head is my probability of success. I am defining it as getting head, therefore its probability is 1. Therefore q is equal to 1 minus p, probability of failure, that is also 1 by 2. Probability of failure, q also is equal to 1 by 2. And number of trials, n is equal to, how many times a single coin is tossed here? 4 times. Therefore n is equal to 4. And success, number of successes, that is number of heads, is equal to x. Then by binomial distribution, function p of x, probability of x successes is given by ncx p raised to x q raised to n minus x, which is 4cx 1 by 2 raised to x into p is 1 by 2, q is also 1 by 2 raised to 4 minus x. Simplifying this, I am going to get 4cx, bases are same, therefore 1 by 2 raised to x plus 4 minus x, x is cancels, it is a 1 by, therefore p of x is 4cx into 1 by 2 raised to 4. 1 by 2 raised to 4 is 1 by 16, therefore 4cx divided by 16 is my probability of successes. Okay, using this I'll form the distribution now. Okay, here x, number of successes, its probability. Okay, number of successes, that is the number of heads, 0 may be there, therefore its probability is given by, we can calculate using the calculator here. We can operate it as 4c alpha x divided by 16. Here first time x equal to 0 I want, then first time calc option, it will ask for x equal to 0 I will operate, and it will take it as 1 by 16. Therefore probability of getting 0 is 1 by 16. Like that, for probability of 1 success, that is number of heads 1 is equal to, it is given by, again I will press equal to, class for x equal to 1, that is 1 by 4. Then for 2 successes, number of 2 heads out of 4 tosses, 2 tosses, again equal to x equal to 2, it will ask, it is 3 by 8. Then for 3 successes, x equal to 3 I will operate, 1 by 4 it is. And for 4, all the 4 heads, for all the 4 heads, I have to, for x equal to 4 I have to operate, and I am getting it as 1 by 16. This is my probability distribution for 4 points. There are maximum 4 successes are there as 0 heads, 1 head, 2 head, 3 head and 4 head. And to find the mean, I don't have to use the formula summation x into p of x values. If I am using this, product and all those things I have to do. In spite of that, for binomial distribution, we know that n into p is the mean. That is, n is number of trials 4 and p is the probability of success 1 by 2. Therefore, it is 2. Mean is equal to 2. Like that, variance v is equal to npq. N is 4, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, which is equal to 1. Variance equal to 1. Standard deviation also equal to 1. Then later, let me find exactly one head. Probability of exactly one head. First one, probability of exactly one head. What is the probability of exactly getting one head? I know this is 1 by 4. Let me prove that. Okay, notation what I have to give is probability of x is equal to 1. For that one I have to find out. Substitute in this 4c1 divided by 16. 4c1 is 4 divided by 16, that is 1 by 4. Like that, second one I have to find out exactly one head is over, at most 3 heads. Probability of at most 3 heads. How to represent this? At most, maximum 3 heads I should get. Means I can get 0 heads, 1 head, 2 head or 3 heads. Not more than 3 heads. To denote this one, I will write it as a probability of x less than or equal to 3. X is a number of successes. It should be less than or equal to 3. That is nothing but cumulative probability distribution type. Therefore, this is given by probability of x equal to 0 plus probability of x equal to 1 plus probability of x equal to 2 plus probability of x equal to 3. Adding all these things, already I have calculated, or you can use that formula 4cx 16 x equals 0 1 2 3, and you can substitute. That is 1 by 16 plus 1 by 4 plus 3 by 8 plus 1 by 4. For 0 x equals 0, for x equal to 1 2 3, up to that one we have to add. Its probability is given by, okay, you can add them. That is 15 divided by 16 or 0.9375. This is the probability of at most. Whenever you are using at most, then you have to use here less than or equal to, you have to use. Like that, third case, at least 2, probability of at least 2 heads is mentioned. At least, whenever at least term is coming, I may get 2 heads or 3 heads or 4 heads here. At least minimum 2 heads I should get. Then represent it as x greater than or equal to 2 it is. Okay. Probability of x greater or equal to 2. At least representation. Therefore, probability of 2 plus probability of 3 plus probability of 4. That is 3 by 8 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 16. LCM is 16 here. 8 to the 6 into 2, 4, 4 is therefore 6 plus 4 plus 1. That is 11 by 16 I am going to get. Or even you can find out this as 1 minus probability of x less than 2 also. Okay, 1 less than 2, that is 1 minus less than 2 is a probability of 0 plus probability of 1, which is equal to 1 minus probability of 0 is 1 by 16 plus probability of 1 is 1 by 4. If you simplify this, then also you are going to get it as 11 by 16. This is how to use the binomial distribution to solve such problems. Thank you, friends. Next, further, I am going to solve some more examples like this, and they are very much useful for the examination purpose. Please subscribe my channel and give the comments and hit the like buttons. Thank you.